Hello everybody, my name is Fahima Haque and I would like to welcome you all back to my channel. So today I'm going to review Fenty Beauty by Rihanna's Pro Filt'r foundation. I have actually waited for quite a long time to have that product in my hand, and finally I have it, and woo, review time! So actually I have got two products from Fenty, and one is of course the foundation and the other one was the concealer, and that's something I just wanted to try with the foundation, so yeah. So this is the packaging of the foundation. Oops, I'm sorry, I just realized that you're gonna see a reflection of the product because I'm facing the front camera. So now I'm gonna unbox it, and I got the shade 350, and when I tried the product at Sephora store, and trust me, it was completely matching with my skin. And one thing that happens, I don't know if it happens with other people, that when you try a product in the makeup store, it seems to match with your skin tone, and when you come home it does not seem to match with your skin tone. I'm a little scared about that. Yeah. Here it comes. Ah! Ah! Ouch, I'm sorry. Here it is. Okay, so let's see what are the features of this foundation. It says medium to full coverage, and yeah, that is what I'm looking for. And then a long wear, of course that's what I need, and light as air. Ooh. So actually, if you've seen my last foundation review, which was the Sephora 10 Hours Perfect Wear Foundation, there I have said that I prefer using a beauty blender to blend my foundation, but today I'm gonna use the blender as well as the foundation brush because I just want to try it. So as you can see, today I don't have anything on my face at all, not even the moisturizer, so I'm just gonna prep my skin before that. Before I start, actually I want to cleanse my skin so that if there is in case any oil residue or something, it just gets lost. So now I'm gonna use primer and moisturizer on my skin so that it's completely ready and all prepared to set with the foundation. So now let's follow the instruction as it says shake well before use. So shake it, shake it, shake it. Ouch. Oh. Okay, so let me try one part with the brush first, and then next part I'll go with the blender. Okay, I need to see the mirror first. See, that's the reason I don't like using a brush, because I think it does not set properly. I mean, that's just a personal opinion, but that's what I think. Do you see any difference? It's going so good with my skin tone, like literally so good with my skin tone. So I'm not kidding, as you can see, it has literally taken away all my acne and pimple spots that was available here, and it's so good. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Let's try on the forehead now. It's like I've invested on the right product. As you guys can see the differences, it does not really create a big difference on my face, but it really makes it flawless and keeping it all natural, which is the best part about this foundation, and this is something that I've read on the reviews. This is the part that I love about any foundation, like keeping it all light and natural and all friendly with your skin, and I think it's very light and it made my skin really flawless. So let's try on the other side with the blender. See, don't you think it goes better with a blender? I personally don't like using brushes. so natural and so perfect. Like literally I'm loving it right now. You guys can definitely see the differences right now. I mean, it's so good. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So far, I just love it. And I'm not gonna use another compact powder or face powder or loose powder on my face because it's matte on your skin. So it's supposed to stay just how it is without the support of any powders. So I'm gonna leave it like that. And now I'm gonna apply the concealer. So let's try that out. Ouch. I got it. It's a barcode. Actually, both of them are on the shade 350 and concealer is always lighter than the foundation, that's of course. So now I'm gonna try out the concealer. Well, just a personal opinion, but I think the concealer did not make it look better. Okay, that's just a personal opinion, but I think it was good off without the concealer. I mean, that's just a personal opinion. Maybe you guys see it in a different way, but... So here I have completed the base of my makeup using Fenty Beauty by Rihanna's Pro Filt'r foundation and the concealer. So now I'm gonna finish rest of my makeup without using a compact powder or a loose powder, and let's see how it turns out until end of the day. I look so beautiful with that eyebrow. I have done completely applying my makeup, foundation and everything else. And see, this is the performance by the foundation so far. So now let's wait until end of the day to find out how the foundation have actually performed on my skin. I'm excited, but I think it's gonna be good because so far it looks really flawless and it feels really light on my skin, so it has to perform good. But still, let's wait. See ya. So here I came back after approximate 8 hours and I have observed actually so far, brightness low, yeah. So far I really like it. I mean, it has increased or something, especially because I wear specs, so no crease on the nose area as well. And it's like, it's so light and it made my skin look so flawless and so natural. I literally loved it. I mean, trust me, if you're buying this one, you're literally investing on the right product. So I'm actually gonna try removing the product as well to see how easily does it come off from your face. So let's give it a try. So I'm gonna try using Sephora's cleansing gel, this one, and let's see. Now I'm gonna try using a damp towel to see how easily does it come off. That's cool, but let's see it properly. So let me try with the liquid cleanser now to see how much did it actually come out. See, it actually came out pretty good. Like, that's not a lot of residue on your face, so it came off easily. I mean, usually what happens, like when it's a long-lasting and touch-proof product, it stays on your face and it's a little harsh to come off. So, but this one came out really easy and I really love that part. So this is definitely gonna be my daily go-to-go and I literally love that product and I think you must try it if you're like looking for the perfect shade of foundation. They have around 40 different shades, so I'm sure your skin tone will be available. And thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel right here and hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you can be the first person to know before anybody else. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.